Hi, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jackie. Let's welcome to our factory, chip industry. Okay, now we can see our PMSG camo. And here we're going to use a motor to simulate the main engine on board. Here is our main PMSG, permanent shafter generator. Okay, the PMSG is placed between the shafter, tail shaft and the propeller. Okay, let's go ahead. Here we have a power, the cooling water power, and here is cooling pump. The cooling system is cooling for two parts. One part is for permanent shafter generator, which is standing here. Another one is cooling for the Wi-Fi frequency driver is standing there. And now here is a transformer. Transformer is using for converting the electricity from the generator to the ship girth to 400 watts. Okay, now for us. Okay, now we can see we have a PLC programmer to help us to make a program to our system. You can check the screen. Now he's working on it, and we can briefly introduce how the shafter generator is working. But first, after the generator is produce the electricity, it will come to here. Here is our side contactor, and we can see here. Here is a synchronized panel on board, and after the electricity transforming to here, okay, for us, transferring to here. Here is all the VFD system. The whole VFD system is using for converting the auxiliary current to the direct current, and then transferring from DC to AC. Also, we can see there are controller cabinet, filter cabinet, and power cabinet. Of course, they have a cooling water cabinet from the cooling water system, so we can check inside. Okay. Here is our, the frequency driver for the shafter generator. Okay. After the electricity transferring into the DC and then into the AC, and then we're gonna be transferring the electricity to here. Here's our transformer from the 690 voltage to the 400 voltage to adapt the girth on board. So then from the transformer, we finally go to the synchronized panel. The synchronized panel is here. We can see the synchronized panel. Here the synchronized inductor, and here is the voltage inductor, and after the whole electricity reach to the synchronized panel, finally they will go to the synchronized the whole electricity system on board. And thank you. The all introduction is finished, and we wish and we welcome and warmly invited you to come our factory. Thank you very much.